Good evening, everyone. I'm back again to PowerPoint out everyone after a fresh release of few videos. I am Renal Mohindra. I am from Kotak Securities. Kotak Securities is one of the leading brokerage houses of India. It's a part of Kotak Mahindra Group Bank, a 100% subsidiary. And it's been there in the market since it was established by Mr. Uday Kotak in 1986, then changed to Kotak Securities in 1995. And now it is one of the top brokers across the Indian subcontinent, offering investments throughout the various products and capital markets. Now, what we basically provide our customers with different trading platforms for them to track, monitor, and do their investments in the capital market products. These various products which we have, the touch points are everywhere. Either they are on the web, they are on special desktop applications, they are through call and trade, and all those facilities are there. But there were a couple of major challenges which we were facing in terms of why we ended up doing Kotak Stock Trader. We were one of the first brokerage houses to bring mobile trading, introduce mobile trading in the Indian markets. The main reason, there were couple of reasons for why we went ahead and took this call of introducing mobile trading in the markets when at a time that nobody was doing it. The very basic reason for doing this was to increase the overall financial inclusion in the country. Just to give you a small fact, in Indian subcontinent, there are approximately 2.2 million customers who have a Demat account. A Demat account is basically a bank account, kind of account, which you need to do your trading in the stock markets and all. So this 2.2 million customers who have a Demat account out of an 100 crore population seems very small. And within this 2.2 million accounts, there is a lot of duplicity because a customer like a bank account can have multiple Demat accounts again. So there was a very limited market which was participating in the capital markets across India, and we were not able to find a way out in terms of how to grow that overall scope of or increase the penetration of capital markets throughout India. Because as we all know, the penetration of mobile has been much more than the penetration of internet through laptops or PCs. So there was a conscious call taken that let us go on mobile, bring capital markets on the move to the customer, to the remotest of the locations across pan-India mobile applications. And another call along with that which we took was to have a presence across the app stores. We are right there, right from Java phones to Samsung Bada phones to Symbian phones to BlackBerry, BlackBerry 10, iOS, Windows 8. On all the platforms at every price point, there is a provision where our app is there for the customer to download and use it. And another new thing which we did at that time was to introduce a guest section within our app. The guest section is basically something for people who are not our customers or who do not have a trading account with us, yet they are keen to know what are capital markets, keen to know how NSE is doing, how BSE is doing, or what are the various their stocks, how they are performing, or to even create their dummy watch list and see how they perform in the capital market space. So this guest concept was introduced, which has been very successful across India. As of now, we have some 50,000 odd guest user registrations on our apps across all the stores, which are basically non-customers. And this guest percentage has been increasing on a percentage terms within the financial year 12-13. It has increased about 30% from Q1 to Q4. So we think that it is contributing to bringing more inclusion throughout the country about capital markets and increasing financial awareness and improving the financial literacy levels across the countries. And another reason for us to kind of go into Kotak Stock Trader and have a mobile app was basically to empower our existing customers. As we all know, with this new technologies and this Facebooks, Gmails, banking coming on your in your hand, everyone is connected all the time. There are hardly any points of isolation left where you are not connected. I guess the only one I can think of right now is when you are in a flight, when you are not connected to outside world, which again is changing with Wi-Fi now coming in the planes as well. So we realized early on in the product life cycle that there'll be a time when our own customers would demand to be connected to the markets whenever they want, wherever they might be, whether they have an access to computer or a telephone call or they're sitting in a meeting now. They have this app through which they can now log into their trading accounts, buy, sell trades, track their portfolios, monitor their watch list, see where the markets are doing, how their investments are doing today in the market. So another reason for us to do Kotak Stock Trader was to empower our existing customers, bringing capital markets to them on the move in their hand, so that they can always be on like they are on with another of their social media channels and their personal lives. So these are the two main challenges or two main reasons for us to kind of go towards mobile trading and introduce it in Indian subcontinent. We were the first brokerage house to, as I said, to do it. And at the same time, we have been constantly innovating these apps in terms of bringing newer products on the mobile, like smart orders. And in the coming few months, we'll be bringing more products on the mobile, like mutual funds or IPOs or debentures or bonds. Everything is going to come on the mobile for a person to trade whenever he wishes to, or whenever he feels like looking at what is happening with his markets. And in terms of just a few numbers, as I said, there has been almost 50,000 guest users on our mobile apps. There has been a 100% increase in our revenues through mobile from Q1 in FY 12-13 to Q4 in FY 12-13. There has been 50% increase in number of customers who are now migrating to mobile from Q1 to Q4, again in the same financial year period. So we see a very healthy and a very positive response, both from our own existing customers in terms of adapting to this mobile technology, as well as we feel there has been a broader acceptance of mobile technology throughout Pan-India, with this many number of guest users spanning from as far as Northeast, going up to Jammu and Kashmir. Some 26 states are from where we have got people who have registered on our app to track capital markets. So these two achievements is something which we feel are kind of going in the right direction and will help improve financial inclusion in the country, and as well at the same time make capital markets as a more viable investment opportunity for the country as a large. So I guess I'm well within the time. Thank you so much.